हरिः कन्ना।
Okay, now let's look into the various animation classes. The animation process in Matplotlib can be thought of in two different ways. So out of which the first one is FuncAnimation. So this generate data for the first frame and then modify this data for each frame to create an animated plot. This is called FUNC, Funk Animation. And the second one we have is Artist Animation. So this generates a list of artists that will draw an each frame in the animation. That's the second type. It generates a list of artists that will draw and each frame in the animation is called an artist animation. So we have two types. One is funk animation and artist animation. So funk animation is more efficient in terms of speed and memory as it draws an artist once and then modifies it. On the other hand, artist animation is flexible as it allows any iterable of artists to be animated in a sequence. So these are the animation classes that are available for us, and we will do we will use both the animation classes and we will do the animations.